Adjust account opening balances. There are several reasons why the opening balance of an account might need to be changed. Error in initial entry, adjustment to account balance, changes in accounting method, merging accounts. Like that, there may be several reasons. You can access this function from Accounts, Adjust account opening balances, select the account you want to change opening balance, after you select the account, system will display current opening balance. You can enter new opening balance, enter reason why you are changing account opening balance, select opening balance as a date and save. Like that, you can adjust your account opening balances.